In Kendall, where warm temperatures, humidity, and strong sunlight are part of daily life, your doors play a bigger role in home performance than you might realize. If your current doors are outdated, drafty, or poorly insulated, they could be allowing heat and moisture to enter your home, driving up cooling costs and reducing comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement doors is a smart investment for Kendall homeowners who want to lower energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and enhance curb appeal at the same time. Why energy efficiency matters in Kendall's climate means air conditioning systems work hard for much of the year. When exterior doors lack proper insulation or sealing, cool air escapes while warm, humid air seeps inside. This forces your HVAC system to run longer and more frequently. Energy-efficient replacement doors are designed to minimize this heat transfer. By creating a better barrier between your indoor and outdoor environments, they help maintain consistent temperatures and reduce unnecessary energy use. Insulated core construction. One of the most important features of energy-efficient replacement doors is the insulated core. Fiberglass and steel doors typically include a polyurethane foam core that provides strong thermal resistance. This insulation helps keep cooled air inside during hot months, reduce temperature fluctuations near entryways, improve overall indoor comfort for Kendall homeowners. Insulated doors can make a noticeable difference, especially in rooms located near exterior entrances. Advanced weather stripping and seals. Even the most insulated door won't perform well if gaps allow air to leak around the frame. Modern replacement doors include high-quality weather stripping and compression seals that create a tight fit when the door is closed. These sealing systems prevent warm air, humidity, and dust from entering your home. In Kendall's humid climate, reducing moisture infiltration is especially important for maintaining indoor air quality and protecting flooring and finishes near entryways. Professional installation ensures the door is properly aligned and sealed, maximizing energy performance. Energy-efficient glass options. If your replacement door includes decorative or functional glass inserts, energy-efficient glazing is essential. Look for features such as double-pane glass, low-E, low emissivity coatings. Argon gas fills between panes. Low-E coatings reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your entryway. This reduces solar heat gain without sacrificing aesthetics. For Kendall properties, energy-efficient glass helps prevent your entry area from becoming overheated during sunny afternoons. Frame materials that resist heat and humidity. Kendall's coastal proximity and humidity levels make material selection important. Fiberglass doors are particularly popular because they resist warping, cracking, and swelling caused by moisture. Steel doors also offer strong insulation and durability, while vinyl-clad frames provide additional weather resistance. Choosing materials designed for warm, humid climates ensures your replacement doors maintain their performance and appearance over time. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. By reducing heat transfer and air leakage, energy-efficient replacement doors help lower cooling demands. Over time, this can lead to measurable savings on monthly energy bills. Additionally, less strain on your HVAC system may extend its lifespan, potentially reducing maintenance and replacement costs. Enhanced comfort and curb appeal. Beyond energy savings, new replacement doors improve everyday comfort. You'll notice fewer drafts, more stable temperatures, and a quieter indoor environment. At the same time, modern door designs enhance your home's exterior appearance. With a wide range of styles, finishes, and hardware options available, you can select a door that complements your Kendall property's architecture while boosting overall value. A smart upgrade for Kendall Homes. Energy-efficient replacement doors are more than just an aesthetic upgrade. They're a practical solution for Kendall's warm climate. With insulated cores, advanced sealing systems, and high-performance glass options, these doors help protect your home from heat and humidity while reducing energy waste. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, efficiency, and long-term value, investing in energy-efficient replacement doors is a decision that pays off season after season.